dolls, it is she, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope that you'll go ahead and subscribe and join the family. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and demo on this gorgeous drawstring natural hair ponytail that was sent to me by My First Wig. The company reached out and asked if they can send me some hair to review. I said sure, go ahead. I had not done really any natural hair ponytail reviews on this video, so I went with their natural drawstring ponytail, and I must say I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I think this was going to be short, sweet, and to the point. So if you'd like to see how I got this very curly, very springy ponytail, you know what to do. Keep on watching. So let's jump right into the review. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. So it comes in what looks like a really high quality shoebox, and it has My First Wig on here on the front, and it says quality wigs for beginners, and it's embossed in like this silver metallic, which the quality of the box is really nice. It's like this soft touch matte, and then it feels like really thick sturdy cardboard. And then on the back they have their website, they have their email address, and then they have all of their Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook handles. So the quality of the packaging is right on point. I love a good package. I don't like when my hair just comes thrown inside of a plastic bag. So if we open up this shoebox, this is what it looks like inside. We have a few goodies. So I have not peeked inside at all. I want it to be like a true just unveiling for you guys. So this looks like a makeup bag, maybe. It's a black and white makeup bag. On the front it also has My First Wig, and if I look inside here, I have some clamps, some bobbing pins, a little brochure with, I guess, just instructions on styling their wigs and other information about the company, and a really nice rat tail comb that says My First Wig on it. So yeah, this stuff is, you know, cute, nice to have. Just add it to my existing collection. But then let's get into the actual hair. So the hair comes in this pack. Oh, got me some corona masks. Oh, that's so cute. Look, you can't never have too many masks. So looks like they gave me a little package of corona masks. Now this did come from China, so I did sanitize the package before I did bring it into the house, but please be advised that this does ship from China. And I know, you know, with the current state of the world, you gotta have to be kind of leery about stuff like that. But and it also comes with some alcohol wet wipes in the inside. So they're trying to be sanitary, which I very much so appreciate. So let's get into the actual package. So it comes in this little plastic, and it has material on the back, but it has a thick plastic in the front, and it has like a zipper down the center. I absolutely love that. And then it says My First Wigs at the front. So again, the packaging is next level. So if I unzip that, then see what I have here. Okay, so ponytail. Let's get into this ponytail. This is the 22-inch natural color. So my hair right now is like a natural brown. I haven't dyed it in so long, so I did not dye it or co-wash it or anything like that. And it is, again, a human hair ponytail. So this is kind of what it looks like fresh out the package. It has not been washed or anything like that. Typically I like to wash or co-wash my extensions before putting it in, but I very much so like the curl pattern on here. So I didn't think that I needed to co-wash it. It comes on a net, and then it has 2 combs, and of course the drawstring. So just from initial thoughts, it's very stretchy, and it looks like it's of really good quality. I can see myself doing a lot with this. Now this is supposed to be a 22-inch ponytail. This does not look like 22 inches to me. It looks a lot shorter, maybe like 18, but I will say the hair, it smells like any typical version hair. It's super soft and very bouncy, which I absolutely love. The color, I actually don't mind at all either. I think that, you know, if you wanted to color this, I can just kind of look by telling it looks like it'll be easy to lift. It's that kind of this medium natural brown color. And I just can't get over how soft it is. I have to just keep reiterating that it's extremely soft. So I know once it gets a good co-wash, it'll probably be just even nicer. I'll probably spritz it down just with a little leave-in and water after I install it, just to give it a little, you know, a little extra. But so far I am absolutely pleased. The only thing that I will say again is that it does not look like a 22-inch to me. And there's not a ton of hair on the little net, because you can kind of see through it. I don't know if you can really see that if it's picking up on the camera, but just holding it up, I can kind of see through the ponytail through to the net. So it tells me there's just like not a lot of hair installed. But I don't need an overly thick ponytail. I think this is a good amount of hair for just a natural looking ponytail. So yeah, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to get this fro together. I just combed out a rod set, so I'm going to go ahead and slick this down how I typically do. I've done this a couple times. If you need a more detailed just kind of molding for ponytails video, I'll be sure to link one below. But for this part, I'm just going to speed through just kind of getting my hair just up until a high ponytail. Then I'll be back when it's time to install the ponytail. So it's been about 10 minutes since I molded down my hair. Just go ahead and unwrap that and let's get into the ponytail. First of all, this bun is cute exactly how it is, but of course we want to spice it up a little bit. So I did take my water bottle that had a little bit of conditioner in it, a little bit of oil in it, and mainly water, and I did spray it down a little bit just because I did not co-wash it, and that just, oh my god, first of all, the smell is amazing, but that just gave it so much more life and so much more bounce, and it's kind of dried for about 10 minutes. So I absolutely love that this is a human hair ponytail. I don't have the exact pricing because like I said, this was sent to me, but I'll be sure to put the exact link below where you guys can go get it, and I'll be sure to add the price somewhere here on the screen once I do look it up. So, but yeah, let's get straight into it. So like I said, you have this netting here. Like I said before, you have this netting here with the 2 combs and then the drawstring at the bottom. So I'm going to take this, and I wanted my ponytail to sit up a little bit, which is why I made my bun as thick as I did. If you want a more flat ponytail, then you can definitely make a smaller knot as far as your hair and just tie it down tighter, but I did want mine to sit up a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and stick it here in the back as well. You just want to take the string and you want to wrap that around the ponytail for some extra security and obviously to hide the string. And then after that, I'm going to take a couple of strands from the back and just wrap that around the ponytail just to conceal the band and to make it look a little more sleek. So taking this and I'm going to wrap it around right at the base here. And that is pretty much it. We have a super quick, super simple hairstyle. First of all, I absolutely love this ponytail. I love the bounce of it, and I love the curl on it. It's not too loose, but it's also not too kinky. So it gives a pretty natural look with the wave pattern of my hair. You can definitely just kind of pull it off to one side if you want like just a more dramatic kind of layered looking ponytail to either side. You can obviously bun it if you just want like an exaggerated bun, or you can just leave it down how I'm going to leave it and rock it. But yeah, this is super cute. I think that is a very cute spring summer ponytail, even a vacation look. If you just want something where you can just literally throw on and go and not think much about it, like this is the perfect just kind of go-to quick, protective, easy summer spring style. So I absolutely love this ponytail. It's going to get plenty of views. If you want a separate video on how like various different styles, with this one I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and just put it in just a very clean way. I think it'll also be really pretty as like a mid and low ponytail. So I mean, the hair quality on this is amazing. I definitely want to check out some more of maybe their clip-ins, their wigs, just to see if the quality is the same across the board, because this ponytail I can tell is going to give me a lot of good uses. You can find a synthetic ponytail that will give you the same look, but as far as the bounce, as far as the feel, as far as the smell, as far as the longevity, I don't think you can get that with any other ponytail. So absolutely love it. So I definitely will recommend it. So like I said in the beginning of this video, this is going to be a very quick and simple one. If you have any questions, make sure you check the description box for all details related to the hair, and jump down in the comment section if you have anything additional that you want to leave me, anything else you want to see from me. Make sure you also like and subscribe, and I will see you dolls in my next video.